3, 2, 1. There they go, tearing into turn 1. Whoa, action down the backstretch. Congestion coming out of turn 1, they make their way through. Red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag. All right, we're going to back them back over there to the back side of the mound where they were. I see a driver leaving the track over on the far side. Okay, we had another driver's door facing traffic, and that's, you know, we like to keep our drivers safe, so we're going to get him out of there real quick. Drivers back to where they were when the red flag dropped initially. Thank you to our drivers for always being cooperative. We're going to do our best to put you back where you were in a fair manner, and thank you for cooperating. All right, getting a thumbs up from Henry over on the far side. Shout out to our flagman Henry, always on his toes. Trinidad getting up to safety on his perch. Checking with everybody else, green flag. White flag, final lap, 176, running a good race. Everybody else doing the same in hot pursuit. And coming around, looking to take the win. In the black and blue, 176, Kobe Kustra.